You don't support other women.
Yeah, well, I brought receipts.
Clip. You need professional help.
Hey, calm down.
I'm disengaging.
Don't bring up the husband.
Let's go to commercial.
God, that couldn't have been choreographed any better. Katie, nice.
I'm not very confrontational at all, so this is new territory for me.
Jealous of what? Your ugly leather sofa?
Maybe it's good to get some aggression out. It might be like a therapy session in the long run.
Yeah, it's fighting with my sisters. Just being our natural selves.
I'm putting on the most ridiculous amount of makeup right now to channel my reality star.
Where'd you get that hat?
It's couture.
I don't have any scores to settle, so this is all theatrical.
I mean, this is ridiculous, is what I think. What do you think?
We are shooting with the fabulous Smith sisters today. We're doing a spoof of all of the reality TV shows.
Ready, Bill? Action. Why did you buy a little family sofa for 6 people?
We watch all that reality TV, so this is very familiar and fun for us. We like doing this.
Oh, we're going. You can leave.
Say that.
You can leave.
That's going to be the line of the whole
Is she nailing it?
I've got this hair situation happening right now, and it's impressive.
What? Your ugly leather sofa?
Did they give a horse a haircut?
That's mule hair. Does it stink?
Your little Name-o.
It's time for a moderate to severe commercial.
I've got receipts, proof, everything that shows I did it myself.
Sisters, I'm ready to move on.
He might say something like, is that something you think you'll be able to get past?
Yeah, I could see
He tries to kind of counsel.
Almost like a therapist.
Yeah, so you could do that like,
Sisters, are you ever going to be able to move past this?
Not when she's acting like that.
Stop it with the rumors and the nastiness.
The husband.
You're giving me heartburn. You're giving yourself heartburn.
It was a great season, sisters. Most of you will have your job back next year.
What?
Most of you. It's the most dramatic Sisters of Smith reunion ever.
Jealous of what? Your ugly leather sofa? She designed it herself.
Clearly.
Why did you buy a little family sofa for 6 people?
Good point.
I made it nice, and I didn't spend a fortune on a designer.
I worked with a Smith designer.
Love that.
And my house is amazing, and their service is included.
Well, you can leave!
Is there a mute button?
Avoid DIY drama with the help of a Smith designer and take a dramatic $500 off now.
You're giving me heartburn.